Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megha and you are watching The Divine Style. Today I'm going to create a smoky eye with a tint of blue in it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started with the video.
Starting my makeup with this Aquaholic hydrating stick, I'll apply it all over my face and then dab it gently into my skin. Then I'll be doing my brows using this Maybelline eyebrow pencil. It has a pencil on one side and eyebrow powder on the other. I basically prefer to use a grey shade because black really looks fake. So you can go for grey or either brown. Now I'll be using this Lakme Iconic Kajal and put it on my eyelids. Now we'll blend it using a brush and then move on to the palette using a black shade. I'll put it on my eyelid, followed by this dark brown shade. I'll blend both the shades properly to give a very good smoky finish. After that, I'll be using this blue and purple on my eyelid. Now I'll be using the Colossal eyeliner from Maybelline New York and draw a very thin line on my eyelid. After that, I'll be using this blue kajal from Purple and apply it on my waterline. Then after that, I'll be using this Maybelline Hyper Curl mascara and apply it on my lashes. Now starting with base makeup, I'll be using this foundation stick from Sugar Cosmetics. The shade is 47 and the shade name is Borgia. After that, I'll be using a damp beauty blender to blend all the foundation properly and buff it into my skin. Then we'll be using this NY Bay concealer and contour and then blend it using a beauty blender. Now moving on to a liquid concealer for highlighting the highest points, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty concealer and apply it on the bridge of my nose, chin, forehead and then blend it using a damp beauty blender. Now we'll be using this loose powder from Lakme and then set all my concealer and the color corrector, also the foundation. Now for cheeks, I'll be using this Lakme Lips and Cheek color in the shade Plum Feather and apply it on my cheeks and blend it using a blender. I'll be using this shade from the same eyeshadow palette as my highlighter and apply it all over my face wherever highlighter was needed. I'll be using this I Amsterdam lip crayon in a brownish shade. I don't know the shade name, I'll mention it in the description box. And above that we'll be applying the same lip and cheek color in the shade Plum Feather. So yeah, we are done with today's look. So this is the final look which we got. I hope you liked this video and if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.